Alright, so today I went to HMO. I went to get something for the car that's pretty ricey, but I don't know why it just caught my attention and it was cheap, so I just said, screw it, I'm gonna get it, just for fun, because I had a little bit, just to buy it. And then I also went for this bolt. This is my original transmission bolt that was in the car with the stock motor mount, or the transmission mount, I mean. I took it to HMO, and then I asked if they had any bigger ones, like, because I need the same one, same thread pitch and everything, but longer. And he just gave me this one, so hopefully it's not too long. But we're gonna try this out first. I'm on my phone right now because the battery dies pretty quick, so I'm charging it real quick, and then we'll get to the fun part. But for now, that's the bolt. That's that one, but it doesn't fit anymore because I guess these mounts are thicker. So let's see. Seems about right. They seem to be the same. Dust thread in a little bit. There it is. Alright, it's going in a little bit. And then if I don't forget, I'll just do this off camera really quick. I'm gonna just tighten it, and hopefully the helicopter goes away right now because it's making a lot of noise. But yeah, I'm gonna just do this really quick. So this is the helicopters that were on earlier. But anyway, back to the install. Alright, so it fit. There it is. Finally have the third bolt that I've been needing since I put these motor mounts on. So now let's move on to the next thing. I was ready for this rice. Damn. They had these and they had some black ones, but the black ones look worse. These don't look too bad, but just try it out. I mean, because I already have two different ones. I have the regular and I have the UKDM. Since I crashed, I don't have this side, so why not try these? Maybe if they look good, I'll keep them. I know I'm not gonna keep them on. I'm probably not gonna keep them on right now because that flashiness mixed with this nasty dull old color, it won't do good. I know they look. I searched up pictures. I could only find these on white Integras Type R's, on white ones, and on the white ones they look nice. On green, I don't know. We'll see right now. So now what I'm wondering, because I took off the UK, now what I'm wondering is how is the wiring gonna go. This is the aftermarket one. This seems like the plug. What is this? So that's that. That's the middle. And this, I'm guessing, is this plug right here. So hopefully I can reuse my harness. I'm guessing this looks like OEM harness. So I'm gonna swap out the harnesses since I already have like my lights and stuff, and let's see if it works. So here's my old harness. This is my LED reverse, my blinking brake lights off of the UK. Now let's see if they fit on the aftermarkets. Alright, so here it is. Here's my harness on them. As you can see right here, I have the regular. You can't tell, but it's the LED. Oh, there it is, and there's the LED. Might have to get an LED for this side too now, just so they could all be LED. So, let's see. Put this through there. Let me just fit this side. Let me just fit it in because kind of hard with one hand. Alright, I have it inside. So now I'm gonna put the bolts back, connect this, and it's pretty much done for this side. So, and I don't even have all the bolts. I need to go to the junkyard to get some more. Same with this side. There's a couple that I'm missing. You can see one right there. This thing right there. I think the back ones don't go all the way in because of the crash. It pushed like the quarter panel a little bit, so they don't fit that good anymore, like the studs. So and it's kind of hard to take out and put back in, so that's why I did this one first, because I'm not looking forward to doing that one. But let me show you. It gets stuck right here. So make sure this is tight, connected, and then we'll close the trunk. See how it looks like, just one regular one. These are called sonar headlights. I think that's what they're called. Got them from HMO as well. So yeah. Alright, so I switched to my camera. It's on, so let's close the hatch and let's see how it looks. Honestly, I don't know. I have mixed feelings about it. If all this was black, like the whole around, I mean, I guess at one point it was probably black, but it got faded because I'm pretty sure they're probably old. But it's not that bad, in my opinion. I like the stocks, but this is like refreshing to see something different. Kind of reminds me of the RSX ones that kind of look like that. I don't know. Kind of cool, kind of rice. We'll see. Let's pop on the other one and see how it looks with both. Alright, both got installed. It's a little darker now. Let's close it. I don't know, what do you guys think? Rice or rice? Wait, what? Is that a RSX? What? RSX? Put flash on. Like from far? It's not, I don't know. Let's see. They look like UKDMs. Kinda. Now let's turn on the lights. I want to see how it looks with the reverses with the lights on. Let's do that really quick. Let's see. You guys can't tell, I guess the screen's a little dirty. Let me try to clean it up really quick. Hold on. A little better. Only those two are on. I wonder why. Do I have to turn on the third one? I don't know why that one's not on, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure that out. Maybe I'm just being dumb and I don't know, something. But you can see right there. Got the LEDs. The LEDs are the only ones that are on right now. And then where could I set my camera so you guys could see the blinking brake lights? I don't have no tripod or anything, so I think this will have to do all the way over here. Let's see if it's probably too dark. Alright. Let me see. So that's how they look with the car. Well, the car's on right now. I wonder why the other lights are not on. I'm gonna have to check that. I don't know. I kind of dig them, but then I kind of like stocks. I really like stocks. This is too different for me. I've been used to the stocks forever. I don't know how they would look in the daylight. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, man. One of my LEDs are out. This one's the only one working, that one's not. Gotta check that too later on. But I'll just keep them on for a while. I don't know for how long. But, yep. It's a Rice Boys now. Later. Alright, so I just realized something, and I'm very dumb. I was saying, why do these not turn on? Well, you can't see anything, but why do these not turn on? The last light? And I'm just realizing those are the turn signals and hazards. I'm so dumb. I need to change those two LEDs ASAP. That does not look that nice. Well, I mean, yeah, because if I put them LEDs, either way, my front ones are LEDs, so look, oh, I gotta put the key in. So either way, they blink fast, so might as well put LEDs in the back already. Watch. As you can see, they blink fast already because of this one, watch. Because of that one, so might as well change the backs to LEDs already since they're already blinking fast. You can see right there. But yeah, it's just a little brain fart of me not thinking that one's supposed to be on, but it's just, you know. But yeah, now I'm gonna end off the video.